Thank you for joining us. Huduma number is a voluntary exercise devoid of any penalties. That is the word from Zioka Waita, the State House Chief of Staff. Waita responded after the Communications Authority declared that SIM cards would be deactivated and its issuance stopped for those who failed to register for Huduma number before the 17th May deadline. Caroline B begins our bulletin tonight with that report.
The government, through the Director General of the Communications Authority of Kenya, Francis Wangusi, announced a new measure to get Kenyans to register for Huduma number. Without the Huduma number, no SIM cards.
When a county commissioner, you are telling people, waende wachukue Huduma number. We are waiting for the 45 days to end. We will say, unless you have a Huduma number, you don't have a SIM card.
The directive was a polite order capable of enforcement, he said.
So all the service providers who provide SIM cards, unless you have that Huduma number, you will not get a SIM card.
Wangusi's statement attracted an avalanche of opinions on social platforms, but that was short-lived as his warning was overridden and watered down by a tweet from the Chief of Staff in the Office of the President, Zioka Waita. Zioka said, for the avoidance of doubt, Huduma number registration is a voluntary exercise in compliance with the ruling of the courts. There is no directive from the government to institute any punitive measures against those who don't register. More emphasis will be laid on civic education. The two statements depicting the government as one working out of synchrony. On 1st of April 2019, a three-judge bench of the High Court allowed the government to proceed with the rollout of the National Integrated Identity Management System NIIMS, but issued firm conditions. They ruled that the registration exercise should neither be made compulsory nor have deadlines for the gathering of data. The court also blocked the government from using the collected data to deny services or stop citizens from accessing public facilities. So far, 8 million people have been registered, and the Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i said registration will go on even after the 45-day window at any chief camp offices. Registration is now on its 16th day, with a deadline set for May 17th. In his visit to the Standard Group offices Wednesday, Matiang'i warned Kenyans not to listen to any lies about the registration exercise. Caroline B,